So, you want to make on Roblox stories or skits that look something like this, and not these kind brainless slop. And I bet you guys don't like every Roblox text-to-speech stories because it's either generic, boring, unentertaining, etc. Well, I think you are in the right place to make a unique story, just for entertainment. Hello, I'm XSO8C, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Roblox text-to-speech stories, in a unique way. Before I start this tutorial, you might be thinking, wait, didn't you make this tutorial before? Well, I did, but I have decided to remake it because the old one kinda sucks. So yeah, hence why I made a better one for you all. And if you already did some of those steps, just skip it, or rewatch it if you want. Before you start making the videos, you need to gather some softwares to make skits or stories. You'll need OBS Studio or any older recording software like Hypercam and Internet Archive, Novetus, only retro Roblox here, or any launcher you decide on, Redmond VPN or Playit for hosting servers, and the editing software, though I recommend using older Vegas Pro or Windows Movie Maker for the nostalgic themed, or Kdenlive, which is an open source editing software of Vegas Pro and such. Well, it's easy to change the avatar if you're in Roblox. However, if you are only using Roblox on mobile and recently bought a laptop, or if you don't know how to use Roblox, allow me, for Novetus and other launchers, just click the Customize Player button or just Avatar button, and you can customize your body, clothing, and hats easily. You can do whatever you want here, even if you have a custom hat, for only retro Roblox here. Well, it has some limitation, since all of the hats and clothes will not appear in the inventory, so you need to manually get one on catalog. Don't worry, it's all free! By the way, you can render your avatar as you like. One more thing though, the clothing does not work anymore because asset delivery without authentication has been killed off, so you'll be like this instead of this. Either get a burner account on Roblox, or this one from Internet Archive. Because Matt decided to take down this project for unknown reason. You can still revive it if you want though, it's still open source anyway. Now if you want to make unique stories or skits, you need to constantly be creative. If you don't have any ideas to make a video, you need to ask someone to help, or just make a reference video. Now that you have a creative idea, you need to make a script for the video. In case if you don't want to make a script manually, I recommend you to use Notepad, Microsoft Word, or Google Docs. Proton Docs is optional, as if you want to store your script for the idea. Well, after all of that, you need to record your videos with your recording software. But first, pick any of maps if you like for the video, and then you can press the Start Host button, or press the Host button on the Host section, and you can play with multiple instances at once, or you can also ask your friend to help with the video. However, there's a limitation in only retro Roblox here since you cannot do multiple instances in the version 1.1 and above. Try using the older version like 1.0.6.2, since it has been tested to get multiple instances working. Now you can find your character to record, and as a bonus, you can hover the tools in the top bar, and press it to move all of the tools away. And if these things are in the way, you can cut all of those away from the Explorer, and you'll be good to go. And you can just use Roblox simulation like Retro Studio if you like. The problem is it's unrecommended as of right now, because CEO of Roblox decided to push Face or ID verification to its platform, meaning you'll unable to chat with people in here. Now that you have done everything, you need to use text-to-speech to make your characters talk. You can try it in the description, and for the love of God do not use AI voices, please don't do that. After you finish inputting, and downloaded text-to-speech audio, you can now import your audio and videos in your editing software, whether it be an older one, or an open source one. You can add your text-to-speech, music, and the video of recording whatever you like. Adding text is optional, so you're free to do so. And that's all. Now you'll be able to upload your stories or skits on YouTube or any alternatives like Odyssey, Aerocast, or BitView. In case if you have a question, feel free to ask me if you want to, as always. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful Christmas and New Year. If you avoid the drama,